Hey, welcome to Project Beats. My chair is squeaky. Wel- Welcome to Project Beats. Today is an exciting day because we are privileged to unbox a new drums. It's the Pearl Masters. I'll take you along with me and yeah, basically have fun opening a new toy. Got some surprise today. Gonna check out new drums. Go. Bro, what is this?
Your new toy.
Wow, Pearl Masters. Unboxing today, guys. All right. Right, let's go. Oh, very light. Look at that finish. Woo. Bro. Wow. Oh, look at the hardware, man. Ooh. Very nice. Pearl Eliminator. Double chain. Let's go. Oh, this is like this now. Thumb
Oh, for the protection is there.
refinement, is it? Over here. Oh, okay.
On the back, got this one as well.
Yeah. Rim protection. They built in the Velcro for that.
Oh, nice.
Very high. Okay.
Also tight as well.
Yeah, very tight. This one. Wow. Let's finish. Let's go. Got the OptiMount right there. Suspension system. Very nice. That thing sings, of course. Wow. Oh, look at that. Look at that floor tom leg holder. It looks very robust. Exciting. Solid memory locks for the floor tom legs. See that? On the floor tom legs. It's not very soft, but I think with the amount of hit you do, that will absorb a lot of the impact, I think. Bro, look at the snare. Come on. We'll do a proper B-roll for that snare, but look at that. Look at the snare, man. Pretty cool lugs they have there. I like that. Let's look at the throw. Looks standard throw on this side. Standard butt end. But of course, Pearl Masters tag. Whew. Hardware, all the 930 series there, S930 package. All of it right there. Okay, that. Adjustment here for the snare, and there it goes any which way you want. And keep it straight. That's a pretty solid hardware right there. They have this sort of floating-ish for the snare. There we go. Ken. Already there. This one. It's the easiest to tune, I find. The kick, the 10, and the floor. This one is always a problem. The mix you're hearing right now is really not that refined. It's just a 2 mic setup. One mono overhead and then one kick. I need a bit more time to really dial in everything. I just added an EQ there in post, but everything is through the mixer. I still have the SSL6 with me at that time. Actually, I still have it with me. So yeah, for this drum, full transparency, is not mine. It's graciously parked in my studio by AVL Direct. You could say a start of a good partnership and collaboration with AVL Direct. So, you know, a lot of testing and all that. The 2 mic, I have to dial that in, but I will be miking up the whole drums, full close mic setup, maybe next week. So watch out for that. A lot more content and covers using that drums. The Sonor Vintage is still with me. I still use that. So I'll switch it up here and there. While that drums isn't mine, it will be mostly parked there in my studio. Also, shameless plug, if you're here in Singapore and you want to have, you know, drum lesson, hit me up in the comments below. Let's connect. Okay, yeah, exciting times ahead. There will be a new set of drum mic that I will be reviewing. More on that in the upcoming videos. So don't forget to subscribe and hit like if you like this video. All right, I'm gonna be seeing you guys in the next project.